Have you ever heard of Capitólio? No? Well, that's not surprising. This hidden gem is known mostly to Brazilians, especially those from the state of Minas Gerais. But trust me, you're about to add it to your bucket list. Located in the heart of Brazil, Capitólio is a breathtaking destination surrounded by lush mountains, crystal clear waters, and endless natural beauty. The highlight here? The canyons of Furnas. Picture this, massive rock walls plunging into turquoise green waters, forming a scene so stunning it feels like you've stepped into a painting. For adventure seekers, Capitólio is paradise. You can take boat tours that cruise through the canyons, stopping at waterfalls so you can swim under the cascading waters. Feeling bold? Try some cliff jumping. But that's not all. How about hiking trails with panoramic views? One of the best spots is Mirante dos Canyons, where you can see the dramatic cliffs and sprawling lake below. It's the kind of view that takes your breath away. Now, let's talk about the Lago de Furnas, often called the Sea of Minas. This massive reservoir is surrounded by charming little beaches, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the sun. And since this is Minas Gerais, you know the food is amazing. Local restaurants serve traditional dishes like tutu de feijão and pão de queijo. Capitólio isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a mix of adventure, natural beauty, and the warm hospitality that Brazilians are known for. So, why not take a detour off the beaten path and discover a side of Brazil that even some locals are still exploring? Capitólio is waiting for you.